For Tesla owners, using RFID cards provides a simple alternative to the app. Tesla ships these cards with new vehicles, and existing owners can order them online through the Tesla website or at dealerships. To use the card at a Supercharger, simply wave it near the reader's sensor. This authenticates your Tesla account and allows charging to begin without needing the app. RFID cards work at all Tesla-accessible Superchargers and offer a reliable backup option, especially useful during app outages or when you prefer not to use your phone for authentication. For non-Tesla electric vehicles, start by creating an account on Tesla's website at tesla.com. This account will allow you to access their Supercharger network. Once your account is set up, add your payment information. You can use a credit card or PayPal, which Tesla will securely store for charging sessions. After adding your payment method, the Tesla website will generate a QR code. This code is unique to your account and will be used to authenticate at the Supercharger. At the Tesla Supercharger, scan the QR code using your phone's camera or the station's scanner. This links your payment method to the charging session and starts the process. By following these steps, non-Tesla electric vehicle owners can access Tesla's Supercharger network, making long-distance travel more convenient. Increasingly, Tesla Superchargers are equipped with credit card readers. Look for kiosks or touchscreens at the station that allow you to swipe or tap your credit card directly. This is the simplest app-free method. As of December 2025, approximately 70% of U.S. Superchargers support direct credit card payments. Tesla Superchargers use Tesla's proprietary CCS plug for fast charging up to 250 kilowatts. This design allows for high-speed charging but requires specific compatibility. Non-Tesla electric vehicles typically use standard CCS Combo 2 plugs, so you'll need an adapter to connect to Tesla's proprietary connector. Without the proper adapter, your electric vehicle will not be able to charge at Tesla Superchargers. This adapter bridges the compatibility gap between different charging standards. Adapters come in various forms, such as Tesla's own TSL to CCS adapters, designed specifically for connecting non-Tesla vehicles to their Supercharger network. When connecting, ensure the adapter is securely attached and compatible with your vehicle's charging port to enable successful charging sessions. When using Tesla Superchargers without the app, there are important considerations to keep in mind. Not all Superchargers support app-free charging methods. Some older or rural stations may lack credit card readers or QR code scanners. Always have a backup plan, such as carrying cash for nearby alternatives or ensuring your phone has the Tesla website loaded. Ensure your RFID card is activated through your Tesla account before arriving at the station. Set up your Tesla website account correctly to link payment methods. Double-check that you have the correct adapter for plug compatibility. The trend is toward greater EV charger interoperability. Regulations like the U.S. National Electric Vehicle Infrastructure Program and EU directives are pushing Tesla to open its superchargers to all electric vehicles, not just Teslas. By 2025, non-Tesla usage reached 12% of all supercharger sessions, up from just 5% in 2024. Credit card acceptance is expanding rapidly. Tesla has partnered with Visa and MasterCard to enable secure, contactless payments at superchargers. By December 2025, approximately 70% of U.S. superchargers support direct credit card swiping or tapping via on-site kiosks, reducing the need for app-based authentication. RFID use is becoming more common among Tesla owners. RFID cards are included with all new Tesla vehicles and work at every accessible supercharger worldwide. They serve as a reliable backup for app-free charging, especially during app outages or software updates. Future superchargers may feature AI-driven kiosks, enabling fully app-free access through voice or facial recognition. By 2030, industry analysts forecast these advanced systems will make charging as simple as speaking to the station or looking at a camera. Tesla is moving towards becoming a universal network open to all electric vehicles. Future superchargers will likely incorporate sustainability features like renewable energy credits and dynamic pricing based on grid load, making them a neutral ground for EV charging worldwide. These trends point to a more inclusive and accessible EV charging future, benefiting all drivers as Tesla superchargers evolve into a universal network.